Birthday card needed. Here we are. Skills.
Hi. Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Patty. Happy birthday to you. Hey, all right. Got a cake.
We're gonna take things in here for you. One of my favorite things in the world is having you as my sister.
Yep.
And today I'm so happy to be celebrating with you. Happy birthday. Have a wonderful day, Patty. Love, Sue. Dear Patty, you cheer me up every time I see you. Much cheer right back to you on your birthday. Love, Greg. Look at that. Happy birthday.
Oh, nice.
So we have
Thank you.
Good to see you, bud.
It says happy birthday, Aunt Patty. No, just
Oh.
parts of it.
Yeah.
So I had to bring it in because it's your birthday, and that's
Yeah.
probably the last time you wore it was when you were not even one.
Good.
Yay! Oh, and look, clear your room.
Cool.
And there's a
Yeah.
little clear hook. I'm not remembering.
Janet, Janet?
Yep.
Oh, wow.
People can
Yeah.
put turquoise in it. I suppose they can put granite.
Should I?
Yeah.
Do you want me to take these home again, or do you want any of them here?
Happy birthday, buddy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Patty.
Hey.
This song is going to be beautiful. No, I'm kidding. Great. Well, we will see some of
Tony
you.
and Val and Greg and I here yet. David and
See you later.